Today is Wednesday, June 7th. I am Emily.
And I am Lelia. Please remember to return your library books. Virtual learning programs applications for this 2023-2024 virtual learning programs in Wicomico Public Schools are now being accepted. The application deadline is on Friday, June 9th. For more information, visit wcboe.org.
On Friday, June 9th, JMB will have a mental health field day. The project is being organized by the mental health team and supported by the SGA to encourage students to appreciate the mental health benefits of physical activity. Please dress for physical activity on this day. The JMB School Store is having an end-of-year sale. Get ready to snag some amazing deals before they're all gone. We have limited colors and sizes available of the Clippy Nation design, so don't miss out on this opportunity. The sale runs through tomorrow, and you can find us during all lunch shifts. Please note that we accept cash or check payments only. Make your checks payable to JMB.
The JMB Food Pantry will have a drive-through food pickup today from 12:30 to 2 p.m. at the E-Wing doors. Pull up and we will load your car. SGA General Assembly will meet in room F110 during Flex today.
There will be a golf team interest meeting on Wednesday today in D102 during Flex. Anyone interested in playing on the JMB team next year should attend this short meeting. There will be a girls soccer interest meeting during Flex period in A143 today. All are welcome.
There's now 1 week of school left. All days this week are full school days, and next week we will have 3 half days of school with dismissal at 11:45. The final day of school is Wednesday, June 14th. And that's all we have for you today, JMB.
Have a great day, JMB.